Our beloved Boss Mike Cervera.
Pinagtanggol ng misis ni Gary Valenciano na si Angeli Pangilinan Valenciano si Nadia Montenegro sa kinasasangkutan nitong issue. Sa post ni Angeli ay nilantad nga niya ang mga pinagdadaan ng sakit ni Nadia kaya hindi siya naniniwala sa akusasyon dito. At sa huli ay humingi siya ng hustisya para kay Nadia. Heto ang mensahe ni Angeli sa kanyang Facebook. I read something terribly unjust about my dear friend of over 25 years, Nadia Montenegro. Nadia is a deeply rooted Christian who has been non-stop doing quiet community services and supporting her 8 children, also wonderfully raised by her. She is a member of our Artists in Touch ministry, a group of artists in the country's entertainment industry with the likes of Gary, Ogie Alcacid, Kata Inocencio, Tirso Cruz and Bai Flynn, Odi Himora, Anthony and Maricel Pangilinan, Felici Buizon, Ami Austria, Donita Rose, Ali Soto, Gian Soto, Mandy Ochoa, Kuli Desma, and etc. And we all love each other like real siblings. We agree, disagree, cry, laugh, rejoice, admonish each other privately, pray for and support each other's events, and are there for each other in good times and bad times, in sickness and in health, always praying for each other. Nadia has just come out of a battle with cancer and she nearly died. Why on earth would she even engage in a substance abuse descendant? She is an intelligent, godly, and brilliant woman, always silently helping the poor. We have a prayer chat and she is active in some of these chats. Why would she ruin her testimony by what they are accusing her of? But that's just me. She didn't ask for me to write this post. I am just fiercely loyal to friends who have changed their lives and want to live righteously. I am praying for justice for Nadia. Sa post na yon, nagpasalamat si Nadia kay Angeli. Hanggang August 19 ang binibigay na palugit kay Nadia Montenegro para isumite ang kanyang written explanation ayon kay Attorney Rudolph Philip Curado, Chief of Staff ni Senator Robin Padilla. Ito'y matapos pangalanan si Montenegro sa incident report ng Office of the Senate Sergeant at Arms bilang reklamo kaugnay ng umano'y pangtsutsongki sa loob ng Ladies CR sa ikalimang palapag ng Senate Building. Sa panayam sa programang Point of Order ng Abante, kinumpirma ni Jurado na kumukonsulta na si Montenegro sa abogado. Sabi ko, Nads, yung explanation mo, you might have to submit it. We cannot act on this unless we hear your side kasi due process, diba? Ani Jurado. Kasi ang hirap namin umakto based doon sa isang side lang. So we have to hear her side. Tahimik si Montenegro sa kanyang social media accounts tungkol sa issue at ang pinakahuling post nito ay ang salo-salo para sa ika-19 na birthday ng anak nila na aktor na si Baron Geisler sa isang sikat na restaurant noong August 13. Sa ngayon nakalive muna si Montenegro matapos ipinagutos ni Jurado habang isinasagawa ang investigasyon. Mahirap kasi na nandoon siya. The very reason why pinaglilive yung tao baka naman kasi ma-impluwensyahan yung investigation, paliwanag ni Jurado. Si Montenegro ay kasalukuyang political officer ni Senator Padilla. Sa ngalan ni Boss Mike Cervera, ako po si Auntie Mama, also known as Anino TV, na nagsasabing mahalin po natin ang ating kapwa, ipagdasal po natin lagi ang ating bansa. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi saan man dako ng mundo naroon kayo, at syempre magandang buhay na rin para sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Our beloved Boss Mike Cervera.